hukum zamboni sasla hingni agromani mukti kelai lama horzak ya I chuni no kausal horno mechen mahai biya tek to beba feel jang nai ojora sok fai nai kata thidi kalogi tong dina pohor nuk fina menang mazora unini mukti no hamzang mahonai kata thidi kalogi tong dina strapsani bagai watui no barni avulunu nai nai tok tok keleng tu.
He tried his best to keep them under the shelter. Rooftops dripping, clock ticking, fighting his way through the hunger, hoping for them rainbows after this bad weather. I guess everything happens for a reason. I mean it, going through despair, hoping for a better season. Our father can take it all to keep his family breathing. No matter what the reason, he believes in a change. His only hope is to keep praying for sunny days, hoping for the dark clouds to go away like November rain, wondering if they can truly happen. Counting every minute, every second, it's like forever, but they know they gotta stick together. This ain't forever, true. I can relate to it 'cause I am a father too. I'm ready to face any circumstances for you. My son, I'll always be there no matter what, 'cause the truth is on you, I'm never giving up, yeah.
I chuni no kausal horno mechen mahai biya tek to beba feel jang nai ozora sok fai nai kata thidi kalogi tong dina pohor nuk finai menang mazora unini mukti no hamzang mahonai kata thidi kalogi tong dina pohor nuk finai menang mazora unini mukti no hamzang mahonai kata thidi kalogi tong dina strapsani